saw that debris up in this tree here. It's above me. That's 8 feet that where I stood right now. And that one, that's about 10 feet above me. So the flood, which is up more than 10 feet, because the water level here is about 5 feet deep. That's it, folks. This is 2 p.m. right now. 2 p.m. after the storm. Still there is a flood. I believe there is a big whirlwind destroyed infrastructure there in the city, because this river goes out to the city. This is the biggest flood that I ever seen when I was in my childhood. I experienced that the bridge here has been reached with the water also. That was about 1986. One part of the bridge has been cut, destroyed. The floor steps, the bridge. Yet right now, I could see this is more than that. What happened was 1986. We are now 2025. It's almost 30 years. 40 years. 3 decades, 4 decades. And the flood is becoming worse than before. You can see there, that part there is another river that goes to the falls. You see there's a big flood out there, the corner.